Welcome to Product Critique. And today we are looking at what might just be the best Valentine Day basket for kids. If you're searching for something cute, themed, and ready to customize, this Valentine's Day gift basket set from Hallswl might be exactly what you need. Let's start with what you get. This isn't just a pack of baskets, it's a complete bundle designed to help you create adorable Valentine gift presentations without any hassle. Inside the box, you'll find 12 empty cardboard baskets in 3 different Valentine-themed patterns. Each design comes printed with classic love symbols like hearts, arrows, and kiss marks, giving the set a festive and playful personality perfect for kids, classrooms, parties, or gift exchanges. Along with the baskets, the kit includes 14 clear cellophane bags, 12 matching pre-curled bow ribbons, and 20 twist ties, giving you everything necessary to wrap and finish your gift in a polished, gift-ready style. Now let's talk build quality. The baskets are made from thick craft paper, which means they feel sturdy enough to hold items like chocolates, fruit snacks, small toys, baked treats, or Valentine stationery. They're reusable, lightweight, and even stackable when folded, which makes storing extras really convenient. There's no odd smell or flimsy feel, and the printing is clean, vibrant, and visually appealing. Whether you're handing these out at a school function, creating a special basket for your kids or a whole group, or preparing themed decorations for an event, the durability and design work well together. In terms of size, each basket measures about 9.8 by 6.7 inches at the top, 7.3 by 5.5 inches at the bottom, and 3.5 inches deep. That's just the right capacity for several treats without the basket looking empty or overwhelming. The cellophane bags fit comfortably over the filled baskets, and the twist ties paired with the decorative bows give a neat, finished look. Before you fill them, it's a good idea to place the items together and measure, just to make sure your arrangement fits the way you want it to. Design is where this set stands out. The red and pink color theme instantly reflects Valentine's Day vibes and creates a sweet, cheerful presentation. The patterns are cute, bright, and fun, making them especially appealing for kids. The finished baskets feel warm, thoughtful, and personalized, and that makes the gift more memorable. The fact that everything needed to assemble the gift presentation is already provided means no last-minute store runs, no mismatched packaging, and no complicated assembly. One of the strong advantages of this basket set is how versatile it is. It works for Valentine's Day, but it can also be used for birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, baby showers, team parties, and classroom treats. You can fill them with candies, candles, mini plushies, cookies, themed toys, books, snacks, self-care essentials, art supplies, toiletries, or even small wine bottles if you're gifting adults. The basket doubles as a storage or decorative container afterward, giving it more purpose than single-use packaging. Today's big question: so who is this for? Parents creating kids' Valentine treats, teachers preparing classroom gifts, event hosts, or anyone who loves DIY gift assembling. If you enjoy presentation and want something uniform, coordinated, and easy to put together, this is a great option. It brings creativity and convenience together in one kit, and that's what makes it stand out. If you're looking to elevate your Valentine's Day gifting and make the experience exciting and personal, this Hallswl Valentine gift basket set delivers style, quality, and simplicity in one package. Whether you're filling just one basket or assembling all 12, the result looks thoughtful, fun, and perfectly themed for the occasion. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want more product insights and breakdowns just like this, be sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. See you in the next review.